Kaya sabi ko, it's very hard. It's very hard to start doing like this as a vlogger, especially when you don't have a lots of friends. Okay, so I just said, okay, I will try. I will not stop. And this is the beginning. So let's see what will happen. But I will not stop, but sometimes I will not go for a short video because of some issues, sometimes internet issue, or sometimes I got busy for something, but I will try my best, at least I can. So guys, please subscribe so I can start my real talk in life. So you guys will really